Hello friends, do you ever get annoying digging through menus just to reach a Windows settings or tool? Windows Run command can actually save you a ton of time with just a single command. You can instantly open graphics tools, network settings or important system utilities. In today's video, I'm sharing 17 amazing Windows Run commands that every Windows user should know. There are two easy ways to bring up the Run dialog box. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard or right click on the start icon and select Run. The first command is Rizmon. Type it and hit enter to open Resource Monitor, a fantastic tool for tracking which apps are using the most CPU, RAM, disk or network bandwidth. Sometimes File Explorer won't open even if you click its icon. In that case, type Explorer in the Run dialog box and hit enter to open File Explorer directly. To clear a junk file or cache file from your PC, type clean mgr on the Run dialog box. Just select a drive and easily delete cache junk files to free up space on your storage. Want to instantly check which version, build number or edition, Pro, Home, etc. of Windows you're running? Use the WinVer command. To access system configuration, type msconfig. From here, you can boot your PC into safe mode and manage startup apps and services. To view detailed info about your motherboard, BIOS version, virtual memory, or processor, type msinfo32 and hit enter. And it shows you the all information in one place. To quickly adjust your mouse pointer speed, pointer style, or double click speed, open mouse properties with the command main.cpl. To remotely connect to another PC on the same local network, use the mstsc command and hit enter. If Task Manager won't open from the taskbar, type task mgr in the Run dialog box and hit enter. This will open the Task Manager. To restore your PC to a previous state using a safe restore point, type rstrui.exe. This will open your PC from restore point, previous restore point. To change advanced permission and settings in Windows, use the local group policy editor. The command is gpedit.msc. This will open the advanced permission Windows local group policy editor. To open the Windows Registry editor, simply type regedit or reg in the Run dialog box and hit enter. To zoom in or any part of your screen, use Magnifier command. To manage your power plan, high performance or power saver and control your power button behavior, type powercfg.cpl. To view and manage all your Wi-Fi, Ethernet and VPN adapters in one place, type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. To scan your PC or for viruses and malware using Windows' own free tool, use the mrt command. Our last command is appwiz.cpl. With this, you can uninstall any install program and turn Windows features on or off. And that's it. 17 amazing useful Windows Run commands. Let me know in the comments which ones you found most helpful. If you enjoyed this video help you out, don't forget to like and share it. Subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.